If you are wondering if you need to use the original USB cable for your Nothing Phone 4a Pro, then the answer is no, not really. So if you are in a situation where you have to use a different cable, different USB cable, because this one doesn't work for you, I mean, it doesn't fit a port, maybe it doesn't work anymore, maybe it's broken or lost, whatever the reason is, you can actually get another cable and it's going to work just fine. In my case, for example, for charging, I use a completely different cable that is USB-A to USB-C, so it looks like this. So of course, it has that bigger USB side in here, which is needed for my power adapter, because I actually have a power adapter that is that has USB-A port, but I can still use that cable in order to charge my phone, in order to transfer files, and so on and so forth. So if necessary, yes, you can use a USB cable that is not made by Nothing or provided by Nothing. One thing that you have to keep in mind, however, is of course the fact that some USB cables, they might not be able to, for example, transfer files, or maybe the charging speed might be limited due to the speed of the cable. So of course these things can be also quite important for some people, so you need to keep that in mind while trying to use or trying to purchase a USB cable. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.